Topic 1. Former President Donald Trump's influence on family businesses and political policies raises ethical questions. During Donald Trump's second term, there have been criticisms regarding his family's businesses profiting significantly from political power. The Trump family has earned hundreds of millions of dollars through cryptocurrency, overseas development contracts, and various product sales, leading to unprecedented levels of conflict of interest. Trump has promised to foster the cryptocurrency industry as a major sector in the US by easing regulations, which directly benefits his family businesses. This situation has sparked criticism that Trump is pursuing personal gain through the presidency, contradicting his earlier promise to drain the swamp in Washington. His family's businesses are expanding through his political influence, raising concerns about political ethics and conflicts of interest. Topic 2. Chevron's acquisition of Hess and its implications for the energy sector. Chevron recently achieved a significant victory in the energy sector by acquiring Hess for $53 billion. This acquisition was aimed at securing access to Hess's most attractive asset, the Stabroek Block off the coast of Guyana, which holds over 11 billion barrels of oil and is expected to play a crucial role in Chevron's growth strategy. The acquisition followed a legal dispute with ExxonMobil, which claimed priority rights to purchase Hess shares, but Chevron won the arbitration ruling from the International Chamber of Commerce. This positions Chevron as a major player in the Stabroek Block, intensifying competition in the energy sector. The acquisition highlights the escalating competition for resource acquisition in the energy industry, particularly for low-cost, large-scale oil resources, reflecting the increasing expenditures by energy companies to secure limited resources. Topic 3. Meta's privacy lawsuit settlement and ongoing data privacy concerns. Meta's CEO Mark Zuckerberg and current and former executives have reached a settlement with shareholders over allegations that the company allowed repeated violations of Facebook users' privacy, resulting in $8 billion in damages. This lawsuit is related to Facebook's $5 billion fine in a 2019 agreement with the Federal Trade Commission due to user data breaches. Shareholders argued that Zuckerberg and other executives should compensate the company using their personal wealth, a claim the defendants denied. Critics have pointed out that the settlement missed an opportunity to hold the company publicly accountable. The incident traces back to the 2016 data breach involving Cambridge Analytica, a political consulting firm linked to Donald Trump's campaign. Shareholders contend that Meta did not adequately disclose the risks of misuse of user data. Topic 4. Rising U.S. mortgage rates and their impact on the housing market. The U.S. 30-year fixed mortgage rate has risen to 6.75%, delivering another blow to the housing market. This increase has led to a loss of purchasing power for homebuyers, exacerbating the stagnation in home sales as they face high rates and prices. The 15-year fixed mortgage rate has also climbed to 5.92%. Rising mortgage rates add hundreds of dollars in monthly costs for borrowers, further diminishing purchasing power and prolonging the housing market's downturn that began in 2022. Home sales have dropped to their lowest levels in nearly 30 years, with many potential buyers unable to enter the market due to high mortgage rates and still rising home prices. Economists expect the 30-year mortgage rate to stabilize between 6% and 7% this year, which remains burdensome for many buyers. High mortgage rates are also discouraging existing homeowners with lower-rate loans from selling their homes, suggesting that the U.S. housing market may continue to remain in a state of stagnation. Topic 5. The Federal Reserve's renovation and political tensions with the White House. The Federal Reserve's large-scale renovation project at its Washington, D.C.